Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage we're going to be taking a look at the installation procedures for our LED turn signal bulbs on the 2019 and up Ford Ranger. Now the Ford Ranger is compatible with our HP24 switchback bulbs, which is shown here, which gives you a bright white running light and a crisp amber flasher for a unique dual color effect. Now these do require the use of resistors in order to prevent hyperblinking, but if you have any questions at all about resistor installation, you can refer to our resistor installation video, which is linked in the description below. Installation only takes a few minutes using basic hand tools and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. To access the front turn signal bulb, you'll reach down directly below the high beam and turn counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Plug in your LED upgrade. Before you reinsert the bulb into the housing, it's a good idea to go ahead and check for polarity and make sure that the bulb is functioning properly. If the bulb does not turn on immediately, disconnect it, rotate the connector 180 degrees and reconnect it. Then you can reinstall it back into the housing. Now obviously this Ranger is a brand new truck, so don't be surprised if it takes a little bit of extra effort to get the stock bulbs out and install the new LED upgrades. Repeat all these same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With your new LED turn signal bulbs installed, you'll not only enjoy increased output and visibility on the road, but a nice, clean, modern appearance. Now these bulbs are available right now on dual-filament.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.